What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for this video. Today I am sharing with you a top 5 Amazon finds, and today I'm going to be focusing on winter. All things warm, all things cozy, just to get us through these winter months. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Let's jump right in and get started. Here is my first cozy winter find. In my opinion, this is a really high quality sweater that you could dress up or down. I love that it has this like ribbed material. I love the feel of this. It washes really nicely as well. But I think my favorite part of this is this little half zip that you have right here. It's just so cute. It definitely adds a nice touch to it. Here is what it looks like zipped up. It kind of turns into a cute little turtleneck. I love the sleeves, how they go kind of tight right at the ends there. Next up, I have these two beautiful plain beanies. There are so many colors to choose from with this Amazon seller. I love the quality of them. I love how you can kind of do different things with these. You can fold it and have it be more of like a fitted beanie, or you could wear it as is. They're nice and long, so they will definitely give off that oversized beanie look. I love this pink color, and like I said, since they are plain, you can kind of do what you want with them. You can keep them plain like I have them here. There are others that I've purchased that have patches on them, just iron-on patches for my son's sporting teams. Personally, I cannot have enough beanies, especially during the winter months. All right, next up I have what appears to be socks, but these are fingerless mittens. I absolutely love walking outdoors. It is definitely my favorite thing to do to get some movement into my day, and definitely prefer walking outside as opposed to on a treadmill. I prefer fingerless gloves just so that I could still use my phone if I need to. So these are perfect. They came in a set of 6. As you can see, I only have 5 here. I have one, the black set, the one that I use all the time, in my car, I think, or my purse. But I have the other color choices here to share with you guys, and I believe they were really inexpensive. I was surprised at the price for 6 of these. And then here you can see how they look on. They're pretty much like a one-size-fit-all. My son has worn these, who is 11. My daughter, who is 5, has also worn these, and they kind of just stretch to the size of your hand, which is also a really nice feature about these. But you do go pretty high up on the wrist and cover that section, and then you have the tips of your fingers out and accessible for phone usage or any device that you are using. So definitely love these. I also really like the colors. All right, next up, I have probably one of my top 3 Amazon finds of all time. Out of all of the thousands of items that I purchased on Amazon, this is definitely one of my all-time favorites. And unfortunately, you can't really tell what it is. I've tried to manipulate this a few different times to give you guys the best view. We have a robe here, and it is one of my favorites of all time. But trust me when I tell you guys, this material is so soft and so like, it's a cooling material that also covers you and keeps you warm, but it doesn't overheat you. It's not itchy. It is so comfortable. I love that there are quite a few different designs and colors to choose from with this. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you're going to purchase anything from any of my Amazon top 5s, this would be the one to purchase, in my opinion. And then lastly, I have a pair of snow pants that I just recently purchased for my daughter. This is a repurchase. I had purchased a different size with this same brand, I think last year or maybe 2 years ago. This brand is just really nice. It's really good quality. It definitely keeps my daughter warm. Pretty sure that this brand has sizing and options for all ages. I purchased a really hot, bright fuchsia color for her, which she's really excited about. And then on the legs here, they have some contrasting dark gray. And then same with on the inside. I just love this because I know when it's on her, she is staying nice and warm and dry inside of it. So that about does it. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you can give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. I would love to chat with you guys down there. Make sure to check the description box for all direct links to these 5 Amazon finds. And as always, if you have any really good Amazon finds for the winter months, let me hear and let's discuss. I hope to see you all in my next video. And until then, take care. Bye.